Hello, high levelers. Rayo Daniel here. I'm going to be talking about an interesting topic in this particular video. We're going to be covering video tracking. So if you're building a funnel or website and you want to be able to detect who's watching what percentage of a video and so forth, Highlevel has a feature for that. It's not very well publicized, but it came into being about a year ago or so. And I just want to share what that's like, how do you end up using it, and some pros and cons over different ways of using it. So what we're going to do here is, before we continue, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I always appreciate your support. And if you are interested in Highlevel, please use my affiliate link below. I do have lots of bonuses that I give people when they sign up here, as well as consulting services, so I can help you get set up on Highlevel as soon as possible. So thank you very much for that. So let's hop to it. Here we're inside of one of our demo accounts. And right now I've created a couple of different funnels here that we're going to use. One is just video tracking. The other one's video tracking 1. One of them is an example of what not to do. The other one is a better example of how to use the video tracking feature. So I want to kind of give you both. I want to show you a few things about funnel settings to make sure that you set everything up right. So let's look at video tracking 1 first. This is a simple page funnel. It's a simple opt-in funnel. Now, right now, it just has a headline, sign up to get my free report. Here's a video that you may have that goes over what the report is, and then here's the opt-in form. So for the video, if you want to click on this, down here you see that here's a couple of different options that we have. I'm going to blow this up. Right now, it's on hosted video, but the video options you get are YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, custom embed, or HTML5, or hosted video. For those people who didn't know, you can upload your videos into the media library of Highlevel and utilize those, and Highlevel will stream those from the media library. So hosted videos are a possibility. You don't need to put them on YouTube or Vimeo in order to use them in Highlevel. Perfect. So right now, if you click on this little button, you are allowed to select what video file you want. So notice when we're doing this that we have two different videos up in here. One of them says encoded. One of them says raw. Here's a very important aspect. In order for you to utilize the video tracking feature, the video has to be encoded. Now, what does it mean to be encoded? How does it get encoded? Great question. So right now, Highlevel actually encodes the video itself. Right now, it's just a matter of time. When you upload the video into the media library, you will have to check back and wait in order for that status to change from raw to encoded. But if it's not encoded, then the video will not show up in the workflow list as a possible video to choose when you're trying to track. That's an important thing. It can be very frustrating when you upload it. So just remember that and you'll be good to go. So right now you can do that. You can actually select a thumbnail if you wanted. So just like with anything else, you can have that. Here's some of the nice features over here in the video as well. Autoplay, allow pause, playback. One of the things I want to show you is this show progress bar. This down here, if you're doing video tracking, you need to disable this, okay? You need to disable it because you don't want people being able to move around in the video. Let me show you what I mean by that. So if I preview this particular video, the video loads. This little progress bar down here is what we're talking about. If you're tracking the video, Highlevel tracks sort of a linear play. How long of a playtime does it have regarding to how long the video is? That's how it kind of gets a percentage. Well, if you're on the screen and you're popping at, if you go to 3 minutes and you come over here to 6 minutes and you pop over here to 13 minutes and you go back to 3 minutes, do you see if you're bouncing around using the progress bar, the tracking feature gets all messed up. So that's one of the reasons why if you're trying to do accurate video tracking, you need to turn off the progress bar. So just want to give you a quick read about that. So you'd want to turn that off. We're going to go ahead and click save. Now, one of the things I want to be able to show you here is the next funnel that we created here. That's one type of funnel. Now the next video funnel that I created is video tracking 1. So we've got a 2-step funnel. So right now the very first step is going to be simply an opt-in form, headline and opt-in. That's really about it. So that's all it is, just a headline and a form. Not a problem there. So the next step of this form is going to be the actual video. Now this I've kind of set up as a masterclass. So the masterclasses are really popular. They're a great way to have people opt in. If you're giving them like a 30 or 60 minute masterclass regarding a specific topic, they're a great lead generation tool. So that's kind of what I built this around. Now here, again, nothing very fancy, just dropped a video on the page. But if I click on this video and I scroll down here, again, I'm going to select this particular video here. I don't have a thumbnail for it. And I do want to make sure that show progress bar is off because I do want to track this. Now, I do want to sit back and pay attention to one other feature on the setting that could be very valuable to people when setting up funnels that you may not know about. So I'm going to blow this up. Come down here and it says redirect unregistered visitors. So for this is typically off. Now, if you leave this off and somebody goes to your funnel, if you're like have paid ads or you're trying to drive traffic to this to get leads, they sign up on the lead page and then they go from that page over to the masterclass video page. They can copy that URL in the link and send that link off to other people. And really what it will do is it will bypass the main opt-in form and land directly on the masterclass video page, allowing them to watch the class without registering for it. Not the end of the world if that happens, but you want to force everybody and redirect everybody back to the opt-in page if they have not opted in. Well, this feature right here does that. So it says redirect unregistered visitors. So on this particular page, there's only one other page on here, and I just called it home. That's the opt-in page that you just saw. So we're going to redirect people to that page. So if anybody ever tries to do that, they will not be able to watch the video because they haven't signed in and they don't have that whatever cookie on their computer that shows that they've registered, and that will redirect them. So they have to opt in first, even if that link is shared. So that's a cool little feature that I wanted to share out there with people in case you didn't know it was there. Now, off to the workflow so we can show you how to begin using the video tracking feature. Now, inside of this particular workflow, we're going to create a workflow and we're going to start from scratch. And we're just going to add a trigger here. We're not going to add anything, any of the other steps or anything else. You guys can build that out and do whatever you want to whenever this particular, whenever this thing fires. But right now there is a video tracking. And with this, there's a couple of different things that you can do. Number one, excuse me, you've got a funnel here. So you can track the particular funnel. You may want to do that, but what if you've got like multiple funnels and you're testing them to see which one works best, but you've got the same video on both of them? So right now you don't have to choose a funnel. You can track it just based upon video. So that is something that you could do, but you absolutely have to have video and video duration on the workflow trigger. Those are two things that you have to have. Otherwise, this isn't going to work. The funnel is optional, but I'm going to choose the funnel because I want to. Now on this, I'm going to choose the video tracking 1 funnel. Why is that? Why would I want to choose the video tracking here versus the video tracking the first one? And I'll explain why. If you take a look at the first video, the video was on the same page as the opt-in form. So right now, when people do that, it's good just to know statistics if you want to monitor that. But the problem is Highlevel doesn't have a contact yet to assign to that video watch. It doesn't know who to associate that watch time with because somebody hasn't opted in yet. That makes sense? So the second part where we have the opt-in form, at like the masterclass example, they opt in first. So now Highlevel has a contact record. They know the first name, last name, the phone number of that person watching the video. Once you do that, now you can track the video time and you have a contact that you can use all of the other workflow features inside of, like updated contacts, send them an SMS. You can do all of those personalizations because you know who watched the video. So just a helpful tip on that one here. You want to have the opt-in first, then you want to have the video afterwards on a second page. That way Highlevel knows who you're talking about, and that information the video recording time can be tracked to that particular user. So right now we are going to use the video tracking 1 funnel, and we're going to go to videos. Let's just say is any of, this is the video that we were choosing. That was the one that said encoded. Notice we had 2 videos in the media library. One of them was encoded, one of them was raw. The raw one is not showing up here because Highlevel has not processed it yet, and it just takes time for it to do so. I don't really have a time frame of how long that takes, but Highlevel will process it and eventually it will encode it. And once it becomes encoded, then you can use it here and it shows up in the dropdown. Next, we're going to do video duration. Biggest thing to note here, this video duration is percentage based. It's not minute based, it's not hour based, it is percentage based. So notice video duration percentage right here. And we're just going to say is, let's just say it's greater than 50. Let's just say that we want them to see if they watch half the video. If they watch half the video, then we want them, the workflow to fire and us to be able to send them off, or maybe put them in a pipeline to follow up with that lead later since they watched so much of the video, send them an SMS message, whatever. You can do whatever you want to, but these are the fields that you want to fill out whenever you're tracking to be the most specific regarding a funnel, a video in that funnel, and then a percentage of the video of that funnel. Which one is that? Once you have all these defined, you can then save it. This right here now becomes a workflow that you could trigger, and you could do the same workflow time after time with all your other funnels and videos to be able to track that if you want to. So that's just a cool feature. I just wanted to share it with you. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I always appreciate your support. And as always, if I am a Highlevel affiliate, so if you are interested in signing up for Highlevel here, I do have a lot of training and I can really help you out if you want to sign up under my link. I appreciate it. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye. Hey, if you're interested in learning more about Highlevel, click on the link below regarding my free Highlevel course. It goes over everything that you need to do to get your account created, get it set up, and get it going in about 2 days. I also, if you sign up with Highlevel with me, I do offer a snapshot as well as a client onboarding course that can be used by your client or even used to train your own team to do client onboarding. I want to thank you so much again and have a great day.